This week's top stories. Studies show home workers suffer higher rates of back pain. An independent study of over 1,000 workers shows that the rate of chronic sufferers of back pain is highest among those working from home full-time. 60% of respondents who work from home said their company's contribution to the purchase of ergonomic equipment was insufficient. Mace teams up with Clarke on Retrofit proposal challenge for vacant buildings. Moby, Grimshaw and Mace are inviting young people to submit ideas on how to upgrade homes and reuse old or vacant buildings, to help us reduce our need for energy and our impact on the climate. The EcoFix Challenge asks students to select a building or buildings they know of that are energy inefficient and in vital need of improvement. Entrants will then present proposals for a retrofit scheme that will update, upgrade, repurpose, and possibly extend the building. Cleaning Show 2023 Exhibitors named. The Cleaning Show 2023 has announced its confirmed exhibitors when the event returns to the Excel, London, from the 14th to 16th of March 2023. This year, exhibitors will focus on the latest industry trends including sustainability and environmental concerns, alongside emerging technologies and recent product innovations.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.